Hi, my name is Victoria, and today I'm going to show you how to buy matted prints in the wholesale shopping cart. So once you've logged into your Workspace account, go to Buy in the main navigation and click Matted Prints. On this page, you can select from the following sizes, 10 by 8 or 14 by 11, and then select Matted Prints. Over on the left here, you can see the different options that you have with buying matted prints. Please note that when you order individual matted Q prints, they come complete with a Q embossed cover sheet which protects the mat and the print and increases the perceived value. Once you've selected the size, click Select Images. On the left hand side here is where you can choose your images for your mat. You can choose from an existing event or choose to upload now. I'm going to choose from an existing event, so click on that event and then click on the collection that you would like to choose your images from. Over on the right hand side here are the templates you can choose from for your mats. Click and drag those over onto the mat to change these. Once you've found a template you're happy with, you can click and drag an image over into the square. You can click and drag and zoom and reposition. You can also choose templates with multiple apertures and click and drag to reposition. Try a few different template and image combinations to see which one you like best. From here you could choose to add another mat, and you can see here that is mat 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. Choose a template and click and drag an image. From here you could choose to remove the mat and start again. At the top here you can choose the mat color and click Save Mat Color, and you can change the paper type. Once you've created all of your matted prints, click View Card. Here you can see an order summary with the price, tax, quantity and total. Here you could click back to images to go back to your event page, click Empty Cart to start again, or click Next to enter your details. Here you can choose to send to your studio or send directly to your client if they are in your region. Make sure your details are filled out. Add any special instructions here. Here is where you could add a note asking not to have a cover sheet on your matted prints, and choose your shipping options. Over here is your total order summary including shipping, and here you could enter a coupon code and click Validate if you have one. Once you've done that, click Continue to checkout and finalize your order with PayPal or your credit card. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.